in so much pain. I'm so weak. Some days I can barely get out of bed. All my muscles and joints ache. It's like having the flu, but 1,000 times worse. Back to the emergency room and being admitted to the hospital. Why can't I find an answer? Why can't I get better? Trying to figure out what this mystery virus is. I'm losing control of my hands and I'm losing my memory. I'm so blessed to have such an amazing support system, like my boyfriend, my friends, my mom, my dad, my extended family, my dog, all people who have blessed my life, especially God, who I pray to every day to be healed. Having Lyme disease is like having the life sucked out of you. I was always a pretty active person. I swam 16 years of my life and I rode Division I in college, even with this disease, but I was constantly getting sick and we just weren't able to figure out why. I saw about 30 specialists and I was being diagnosed with everything from heart problems, neurological problems, gastrointestinal problems, and my list really kept going on and on and on. And to me, after seeing all these specialists, my puzzle just wasn't coming together. And so I started taking matters into my own hands. I joined a few support groups on Facebook. And it wasn't until I was talking about my illness in Facebook until someone mentioned that I should be tested for Lyme disease. So I started doing a lot of research for Lyme disease, and I actually watched a documentary. It was called Under Our Skin. And I just remember sitting there sobbing during the documentary because everything that they were saying I have experienced in my life. And it's just really sad to me that we could spend 12 years of my life misdiagnosing someone that's really such a common disease, but doctors, they don't want to admit Lyme. Since I've been diagnosed with Lyme disease, this is my new reality. I've been on 6 months of oral antibiotics so far. I know the CDC guidelines point out that 28 days is sufficient. However, it's not for chronic Lyme disease, not when this disease has been in your system for 12 years misdiagnosed. So now I have started on IV antibiotics, and I'll just show you a little bit what my routine looks like. Please do your homework and learn about Lyme disease for yourself. I'm doing my share to make myself better by clean eating, working out, and taking the proper medication. My name is Diana Donnarumma and I'm a Lyme warrior.